we have like 4 vintage coffee makers. So I'm just gonna show you the coffee makers quickly. They're pretty basic. I give them 5 stars. You can buy them anywhere. I'll just like show you quickly, like so you can see the crafts come out. You can see the craft. This one basically is brand new. This craft has a craft too, so you can see the crafts and stuff come out. Pretty decent crafts. Pretty decent. I'll just show you the crafts. As you can see, it's like basically stained. This is glass. I found out the Steelcraft coffee pots you buy are actually shitty. The new Black & Decker coffee makers are shitty, you know what I'm saying? It's basically brand new, and this one basically used a little bit. And that's my video, and I'm just gonna show you guys how to use. Basically, I'm just gonna show you guys how to use this shit. And this piece just comes out. The reservoirs comes out too. These things just come out too if you want to see. The reservoir comes out. And these pots just go back in like this. Fuck. That's my video of the Black & Decker Thermocraft automated coffee maker. So, pish.